So hey guys, how's everyone out there? So today I'm going to show you real quick my method to keep a clean engine compartment. Very important to do. It'll help you too if you keep it clean. If you did have any leaks, you can tell where it's coming from. If you have a dirty engine compartment, it's kind of hard to tell if there's any leaks or anything like that too. So it's definitely beneficial along with looking good too. So a lot of plastic in here, as you guys know. This is my product of choice. It's a 303 aerospace protectant. I've used this for a long time. It's the only thing I use for the interior, the door panels, the dash. It repels dust and dirt too. So when you put it on, it won't get as dirty as fast. And then it's easy to wipe off too. Definitely cleans it up. I would stay away from an Armor All product because once you start using that, it's going to dull the plastic and then you're going to be forced to use it. Else it's going to look gray. So things like this, just wipe down. Just want to spray a rag, do a good wipe, pretty much on anything in here. It'll make it look really good. So I just take an old shirt here and I'm going to spray it. I'm almost out of this stuff too, so I definitely need to order some more. But like I said, if you guys haven't used 303, definitely give it a try. It's great stuff. It does not leave it that real shiny appearance. And it lasts too for, I'd say, a good month on the interior. So just wipe it all down. Like I said, it's a good time to make sure you don't have any leaks. Make sure the oil cap's tight. All that kind of stuff. Just a good habit to get into. And wipe everything down. Like I said, not only is it going to look good too, but it will help in the future if you had any leaks or anything like that. Very good. And what I like doing, see this rubber seal here? I like doing that too because it prevents it from cracking. When you clean them, when you put it on the rubber seals, it'll make them real pliable too. So, and then this right here, when you put it on, it's really slick. It's really nice. Like I said, you don't need a lot too. Once you start spraying the rag, it'll get saturated. A little bit goes a long way too. So you don't need to go crazy with this stuff. Kind of expensive. That bottle runs about 14 bucks. But things like this, by doing these hoses, it'll keep them pliable. Depending on how many miles you have on your car, these things will eventually crack if they dry out. So it's just a good tip. Just keep everything clean, lubricated, and check everything. Do it all around here. And clean up all the edges too where all the dirt gets stuck. But like I said, you don't want to spray it on the engine itself. Just spray it on a rag, wipe it all down. Like I said, double check this kind of stuff too, just while you're in here. Especially if you take your car to get serviced. I've heard of stories where they leave the oil cap off, so once you're done, like I said, I'll finish this up. Not hard, just it's all about the product. Like I said, the 303, I know it's more than Armor All, which is a few dollars, but it's definitely better to use this because it actually protects it. And it's not stripping the color. Like I said, I use it for the dash, door panels. That looks awesome. Honda used to sell this stuff too. That's how I found out about it some years ago. But definitely pick it up. Amazon has it for probably the best price. O'Reilly Auto Parts, things like that. They'll carry it too. Hope everyone's staying safe out there and doing good. I appreciate all you guys. I really do. Have a video coming up shortly, so please hit that subscribe button if you already haven't. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks, everybody.